Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we just want to do a quick video and apologize for my last video where the audio was kind of messed up. And this, believe it or not, this is the cell phone I use to do my videos. It does great on the video itself. The audio, not so good. And you can see I've had to tape it up because it's got the dreaded expanding battery. This was given to me by my friend Joe, who had dropped it. It's got a crack in one of these corners, so we got a replacement. And I said, hey, I can use that to do my YouTube videos, and then I don't have to use my cell phone that I use every day and have to worry about somebody calling me and why I'm trying to record a video. Now, what I usually do is I've got this little gizmo, which is two microphones, wireless microphones, clip on, and the center thing here connects to the port here on your phone. This is an Android phone, and it's the interface between your phone and those two microphones. And I usually use that now because of the audio problems with the cell phone now. Even what I did one time is when I was taping this battery back, a cell phone back on to keep it from falling off, I taped over the microphone port. And when I did the next video, it had no audio. And I'm like, what's going on? And it took me a few minutes to figure it out. Oh, I've taped over the microphone port on the phone. So I'm using this now. And sometimes I forget to put it back on because after I've done the video, I have to take it off so that I can hook up a USB cable to transfer the files to my computer to upload to the internet. So sorry for the poor audio. I didn't want to do this show over again because I'm lazy. It's that simple. I'm lazy. I'll try to remember in the future to use this. Now, here's an option that I've been considering. And I saw on YouTube a video where you can get a nice cell phone, like a Samsung. This is a Samsung. Get a nice new model Samsung phone from Walmart for like $26. And the reason it's so cheap is because it's what they call prepaid. You have to buy airtime to use it as a phone. So they give you the phone, and that automatically forces you to use their plan. And what the video that I saw was saying was, you don't have to buy any airtime if you just want to use it as a camera. So I haven't done that. I need to. There's only a few Walmart stores in my area that actually carry that particular phone for like $25, $26. You can get much more expensive ones, but the phone itself is not that much better. So I want to get one of those. I'm still not sure exactly how the plan works. I think in what they were saying in the video, you don't have to sign up for their service. So you pay for the phone, $25, $26, and just use it as a camera. And it, like I say, like this one, it does an excellent job as far as video for doing recordings. So if you know about that option, you have some details, please let me know. I mean, any day, this thing's just going to stop working. I mean, it's in bad shape, really bad shape already. And I just held together with tape. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.